Thomas, what's wrong? Oh. Hey, Edward. Is there something wrong, Thomas? Edward, I do know that I need to do shunting in the yard, but I've got to get out of the yard. I've been stuck in the yard for 5 years, and I've been wanting to tell the Fat Controller this. For a while, I've been wanting to have my own branch line. I want to be a really useful engine. Back on my old railway, I wanted to show my old controller how useful I was, but he always ignored my work. He was such a self-centered guy. Oh my goodness, what a horrid man. I really need my own branch line, Edward. I just don't want to be treated the same way my old controller treated me. You won't be treated the same way your old controller treated you, Thomas. And I'm sure the Fat Controller won't treat you unfairly. Maybe if you show him how useful you are, maybe he'll give you your own branch line. I hope he does. Finally, a place to shelter. Hey, driver, what are those? Oh, that's the breakdown train. The cranes are for lifting heavy things like engines and coaches and trucks whenever there's an accident. Oh, Thomas, there you are. The Fat Controller's gonna come by this afternoon to see how you're getting on. I'm getting on okay now. Am I? Of course you are. I think you nearly know as much about trucks as I do now. Clear the lines! It's a runaway train!
Help! Help! They're pushing me! They're pushing me!
James! Thomas! Thomas! Come back!
Help! Help! My brakes! On! Faster! Faster! I don't want to go any faster! James! Thomas? Thomas, help me! Use your brakes, James! What? Use your brakes! I can't! My brakes are on fire! They're made of wood! Don't worry, James. I'm gonna try and couple up behind you. I'm gonna try and slow you down. Hurry, Thomas! On! Faster! Faster! Couple me up! Couple me up! I need to slow James down! Right! Got it! I got you, James! Hold on tight! Thomas! I'm coming off the rails! James! Are you alright? I think so. Stay right there, James. I'll go get help. I hope James isn't hurt. There it is. Right, let's go. Thomas, what is... I can't talk now, Henry. James is off the line, and I'm gonna get him back on. Never mind, James. It wasn't your fault. It was those wooden brakes they gave you. We always said they were no good. I'll say. Right, let's get to work.
Stop pushing me, go smoothly!
I sure hope this will teach you troublesome trucks a lesson.
I'm afraid it will. I'm afraid it will.
They cleared away the unhurt trucks, and with 2 cranes they put James back on the rails. He tried to move, but he couldn't. So
so Thomas helped him back to the yard.
I'm gonna take you to the works, James. Thank you, Thomas. Thank you.
Well, Thomas, I've heard all about it and I'm very pleased with you. You did the most responsible and the most reliable thing anyone on Sodor has ever done, and that makes you the most really useful engine. James shall have some proper brakes, a bit of repair here and there, and a new coat of paint. And you, Thomas, have a special reward. Edward told me how great you were in the yard, so I'm deciding to give you your very own branch line.
My own branch line? Thank you, sir. Congratulations, Thomas.
Well done, Thomas. But who will fetch out coaches for us, sir? Tender engines are not meant to shunt. Well, Gordon, perhaps you'll have to fetch your own until I can find another small engine like Thomas. But...
Well done, Thomas. Thank you, Edward. Now Thomas is as happy as can be. He has a branch line all to himself and happily puffs backwards and forwards all day with his two coaches. It's very nice to meet you two. You're such a kind engine, Thomas. Please take care of us, Thomas. We're very old coaches. Don't worry, you two. I'll take care of you. Why the long face, Gordon? Well, I must go. Bye, Edward. Bye, Henry. Bye, Gordon. Bye, Thomas.